when we're looking at this HPAI, this is really a disease that affects all types of poultry. And in Minnesota, as well as other states, we typically will categorize and put the poultry industry really into two big boxes, if you will. One of them that we would call is the larger commercial poultry industry, and that would include turkeys, broiler chickens, egg layer chickens, actually upland game bird operations. The operations are the type of industry that really put a lot of our protein in the grocery store for human consumption. It's oftentimes very difficult to, put that line as far as what a poultry producer is, whether they're large commercial or, a smaller type operation. And so the guidelines that we typically follow have been established many years ago, where they've identified table egg layer chicken flocks with more than 75,000 birds in a flock as a commercial poultry, or processing plants that process over 200,000 birds a week, or turkey processing plants that process more than 2 million birds a year, or raised for released upland game bird producers. And so those are kind of some general guidelines that put different industries or companies' operations into the commercial poultry box, if you will. And then, of course, there's everybody else. So there are people that raise 2 or 3 chickens up to maybe a couple hundred, maybe a couple thousand, and everything in between. And so those we put in the box of non-commercial poultry. And so they can be turkeys, chickens, waterfowl, game birds, types of poultry that are defined as poultry under our board rules. It does exclude pigeons and doves, and we're pretty specific on that in terms of our rules and some of our programs. And then, of course, the baby poultry, the types of baby chicks, ducklings, goslings, poults that are now being picked up at a lot of our poultry dealers this time of the year. And so we kind of lump all of those folks into the non-commercial poultry industry.